So you want to buy Supreme, but everything on the website is sold out, and it's too expensive to buy anywhere else. All you do is wonder how it's done, either though you've tried it before, many times before. But I'm going to show you how to be successful every time. Rule number 1. A charged laptop is a fast laptop. You could also use the Supreme app on your phone, but it will take much longer to check out an item. Rule number 2. Be aware of the drop. The best Twitter to follow is Drops by Jay. He releases the most accurate info in the fastest amount of time, so you can see what's dropping next and its prices, sometimes days in advance. Rule number 3. Autofill. Now that you're all ready to go and you know what item you're going to go for, once you check out, you realize you need to type out your address and card info, but thankfully, you can use autofill in the Google settings. Rule number 4. Get in the queue. Do not open the Supreme page too early or too late. I usually open the page about 15 minutes prior. This is important because your IP address needs to be added to the Supreme queue, which is the list of all the computers that are live on the website. And if you open the website too late, you're going to be competing for a spot with everyone else who's late. Which brings us to our final rule. Don't be late. The online Supreme store drops new items every Thursday at 8 in the morning Pacific time or 11 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. The website almost always restocks just a few seconds before the drop time, so it's always good to refresh your page at about the 57-second mark. Congratulations, you've successfully bought Supreme online.